Okay, Dr. K here, and if you put anything pickleball in your Facebook feed, you've probably seen this advertisement for the Avoura paddle. Well, I got one from the company in the mail today. So here's what you get out the box. Number one, they give you some lead tape, so you can go ahead and make any particular adjustments that you want with the paddle. They also give you a pickleball, so that's kind of cool. So if it's your first time going out, you can use the pickleball. They also give you some over grip, so if your grip's not right or the grip on the paddle is not the way you want it, you can go ahead and change that. But probably more importantly, or what you're getting out of this, is a really cool paddle. So when you take it out of the box, what you're going to notice first is that the paddle shape is really different than any other paddle that I've ever seen, and it has a lot of friction to it. You can hear it right there. So I'm actually looking for some people to go ahead and test this paddle. So if you're willing to go ahead and test this paddle and give me some feedback, go ahead and hit me up in the comments or leave me a DM, and we can make arrangements to meet over at Hawk Park to get your feedback, your unfiltered feedback on the Avoura paddle.